Today is Thursday, July 15th. This is the 1970 Deville convertible, 1 year only, neutral safety switch. This is the 063 designated series with 4 electrical prongs and 4 vacuum port nozzles. So this unit's going to my friend Jean Paul in Canada, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. And I'll go ahead and I'll connect the unit to power. And these first 2 electrical prongs designate the park position in accordance with the prenundal plate. So when we're in park, we have electrical continuity all the way to the extreme left in the park location, and that's what allows us to start the car safely when we're in drive. Okay, when we're in the other positions, the light bulb goes off, thereby circumventing the electrical continuity and prohibiting the car from starting in the drive position, which would allow it to crash into a wall or whatever else is in front of the car. So the ignition lights up and provides continuity when we're in the park position on the extreme left. It also allows you to start the car in the neutral position. Neutral being right there where I have the N with a line through it in the center. So electrical continuity for purposes of starting the car is facilitated by the neutral safety switch to provide safety when starting the engine in the neutral position or in the park position, but never in the drive position or in the reverse position. So we've checked the electrical continuity for starting the car. Now I'll go ahead and check the electrical continuity for the reverse lights. And again, in drive we have the light bulb off and no electrical continuity. In park we have no electrical continuity for the reverse position. And now I'll go ahead and I'll put it in the reverse position, which is right about there. Okay, and the light bulb comes on where I have the line with the R. So in reverse, we have the reverse backup lights being activated by the neutral safety switch. And for engaging the ignition, the neutral safety switch provides us electrical continuity in the park position, but not in the drive position, but also in the neutral position. Okay, so that's the full electrical validation test for my friend Jean Paul for the original vintage, fully restored 063 series 4-prong, 4 vacuum nozzle port neutral safety switch for the 1970 Deville convertible. This will be shipping out tomorrow as soon as I get Jean Paul's okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970 Cadillac, over 375,000 original vintage Cadillac parts from 1959 through 1976. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the tilt and telescopic steering column restorations, the instrument clusters, the power seat mechanisms, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, July 15th. Thank you very kindly.